You're gonna love the 2018 Land Rover Range Rover. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy a view of the superlative Land Rover Range Rover, the ultimate in luxury performance vehicles. Sophisticated, modern, and endowed with legendary off-road capability, it simply takes your breath away. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, intelligent auto on-off high beams, panoramic roof, moonroof, keyless entry, navigation system, heated rear seat, backup camera. Don't miss the chance to drive this powerful and sumptuously appointed Range Rover. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.